Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will teach you how to make a task recurring on Asana. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open your web browser and then proceed to app.asana.com. Once you're here, simply sign in with your account. And once you have signed in, you will now proceed to your project. So I'll just choose this one, and then once you're in your project, go to timeline and choose that you want, choose the task that you want to have a recurring. So for example, I will choose this one. I'll just click on it and then I should look for dependencies. So once I am in dependencies, click on add dependencies and you should see the blocked by option. So it should be blocked by another um another task. So I'll just type in this, I'll just choose this task. So redesign this one. I'll just choose that one. And then now this task will not be performed unless I have completed this task. So again, this task is now recurring because I cannot do this task unless I do this task first. So that's it. That's how you can make a task recurring on Asana. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.